Hi, I'm Todd. Welcome to my dooryard. So, Bonnie mentioned to me that she thought my videos were I was acting like I was kind of bummed out about this thing. And that is not the case. I am excited as hell. But the more I dig into this, the more I realize how big a project this actually could be, and I'm kind of at the point where I'm trying to decide how far to go. This is never going to be a show car. I want to make this a go car. How punny I am. So, yeah. But it turns out that the important part of making it go is making it stop. And right here in the service manual, they got some pretty good advice right off the bat. And I think we're going to give this a go. First thing it says is check the fluid level in the master cylinder. Let's do that. Still don't know what this piece of trim goes to. Da-da-da-da. We'll put it right back in the back of the car so it don't get run over and damaged. Swap you around again real quick there, and yeah. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, 70 degrees. Today, oh yeah, full on sweater weather. Alright. I should probably go get a screwdriver to pop that cover off, huh? Yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, I wish there was a way that I had to easily mount you guys. Oh, look at that. It's going to pop right off there. No big whoop. Oh. Looks like a new master cylinder. It's got enough material in there, we're going to leave it. Clips back on real nice and easy though. Alright. So, it ain't full. So, that fluid's going somewhere. Alright. It says push the pedal down as far as it will go with the engine running or vacuum is in the system and the car is standing still. If the pedal travels more than halfway between the release position and the floor, check the brake adjustment and the automatic adjusters. Alright. Let's touch it off here. Give it a moment. Oil pressure don't climb very quick, but I hope that changes with an oil change. Alright, let's see what we get for brake travel here. And she goes right to the floor, and it does not return very rapidly. Still coming back. Oh, I think it's at the top now. Alright. We're not going to make the adjustments. Alright, with the transmission in neutral, stop the engine and apply the parking brake to press the service brake pedal several times to exhaust all the vacuum in the system. Then depress the pedal and hold it to the applied position. Start the engine. Okay, let's give that a go. Oop, sorry, I didn't mean to blind you there. Alright, so let's find neutral here. We're pretty sure that's neutral. We'll apply the parking brake. Start the engine again. And once again, we'll give it a moment to wake up. Oh, shit. Well, we failed to follow procedure. Okay. Press and release a couple times here. Make sure we're exhausting the vacuum out of the system. Yep. So that's not good. We'll press her again. Okay, we'll assume that the... Alright. We'll press and hold. Oh yeah, we can... It kind of worked. Not exactly the way we'd hoped. Alright. Okay, we're gonna exhaust the system again. Because it turns out I don't like the way it's not returning very rapidly. All right. I don't think, it doesn't feel like it's going down to me. Well, let's go see if we can see any leaks. I gotta get this thing up on jack stands. All right. Man, everything in here is so tight. They didn't leave much room. Oh, well, this might be an issue right here, huh? Oh, let's get your fingers out of the way, Todd. You think that might be an issue? That's not just a little vacuum leak. Or this might go to... That should be a vacuum pot going to somewhere else. Either way, we definitely got to get that plugged up. Right there, yeah. That is pretty high on the list of got to get taken care of. Let me use both hands with that. I think I might be able to square that up and plug it back up. We'll give it a go. I'll be right back. All right. See how poorly these two line up. Well, let's get our hands out of the way so we can actually see what we're looking at here. Right here. See how poorly that lines up. This is going down this angle. That's kind of... So let me try and bend that around a little bit, and we'll see if we can't get that lined up a little bit better so it ain't stressing that hose so hard. All right, I'm not exactly sure what that hose leads to, but it's lined up a little bit better, and it's plugged. So, let's see if it makes any difference. Still sounds both the same, don't it? Brakes still feel both the same. You know what? I got nobody in front of me. I'm gonna go move that tripod, and we're gonna try moving forward just a little bit, see if it goes into gear, see if the brakes will actually do anything. I'll be right back. All right, let's see how this goes. We're in park. Put the steering wheel back in the center, and now the car won't fire. Okay, so we know about that. That neutral safety switch is something a little funny there. She'll fire in neutral, go to park, and we don't have that vacuum thing working on that. So down here, you push that little lever and get the e-brake off. E-brake actually seems like it's working. Goes into gear. Yeah, we're gonna have to look into that neutral safety switch. Does stop. Back in neutral and R. And it doesn't want to move. It feels like it's not moving in that corner. Let's go to neutral again. Here you can watch out the window. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we got it to move in reverse, and it spun a tire doing it. I'm not sure what tire is not moving. I got to get this thing in the air to find out what's going on with it. It's almost back where it was. Yeah, it turned this tire, so we definitely do not have pausing. All right. Let's put the steering wheel in its parked position. Those things can stay right in here. Actually, into the pockets they go. So I guess I got to make a shopping list for Bonnie, and it's going to include a big floor jack and 4 jack stands. I got to get into the brakes of this thing first and do that before it's an issue. I opened the trunk here not to show you that I didn't do a damn thing the other day on getting all the rest of that scraped out, but this big wrinkle that I found right here, I mean, it doesn't really show up on camera as well as I would have hoped. You can see it right here. There's a big crease and a big fold right in here. This is all like this way. Yeah, so she got a pretty good smack in the right rear corner. Pretty hard at one point in time, I think. I got this open. Let's throw this back in here just to keep it safe and out of the way. But weather's kind of nasty today. I don't think I'm going to do too much of it. Let me try and get this hood closed here with one hand. Nope. There we go. Yeah. But, yeah, I'm thinking, so if that tire is spinning, it almost felt like maybe the front tires were dragging. I don't know. I'll get it up in the air and get all 4 tires off it. And we'll see where it goes from there. I think I ought to get them hubcaps polished up. I think they'd take a fuck of a polish. I'll get Bonnie to touch up these, the turbine looking stuff here. I think that would look pretty cool if I spiffy them right up. Give the rims a squirt of black Rust-Oleum. Because, you know, we ain't picky. Like Derek Geary says, it's close enough for the girls we date. Yeah. So anyways, Yeah, I think I'm gonna call that the update for today. I mean, we're already pretty good distance into it. That is a good looking car though. Oh, I can't wait to put that thing on the road. Yeah, I'm very excited for it. We'll make it happen. I am coming to realize how much there is to do on this car before it's going to be ready for any kind of service, and it is a little concerning, but I'm confident I can get it done, or at least, you know, it'll run me out of money. That'll be fun. Yeah. Yep, but getting it stopped, I think, is more important than making it go. So we're going to work on that first before we do the carburetor work or anything else. I definitely at least need to do a timing set on that engine. It's probably never been done. The car's 41,000 miles. It's been sitting for a long time. The oil is questionable. I mean, you can smell the fuel in it, but that's probably from, you know, firing it, running it for 30 seconds, and then shutting it back off for the last 20 years. But yeah, we'll geez, that could be a wheel bearing too that's making it hang up like that. I had a 72 Ford pickup that was like that. You know, it rolled forward fine, or, you know, okay, but it would not want to go in reverse. It would lock the rear end right up, and it would just kind of like, it would hump up, and it wasn't like it should. So yeah, I guess that's probably going to be it for today's update. You know, I'm lazy on the weekend. What can you say? Happy birthday, Wayne. Like, subscribe, click the little bell icon. Tell your friends. Comment. I'd love to hear. Oh, that's the other thing. Let me swap you around here. Now, Bonnie and I have gotten in the habit of naming our automobiles. And there is no name. Friggin', oh my God, these things. They're everywhere. You can't get rid of them. Probably just, oh, that needs that gasket too. More of these damn things. Oh my God, look at them on the windshield. They're everywhere. They're all the time. Oh, it's as bad as sand at the beach, I swear. They get in everything. Plug stuff up. They're horrible. But, like I was saying, Bonnie and I name automobiles. And this one, the name is just not coming to either one of us. We're just not, I don't know. Maybe one of you guys can come up with a good name. Please leave what you think would be a good name for this car in the comments. Otherwise, I guess maybe once we do get it on the road and get trucking around with her a bit, maybe something will become obvious. I'm tempted to take this thing for a ride up the top of the hill and back, but I don't want to with the way that it's not backing up, and the stopping is a little bit questionable. She is a sweet looking buggy though, especially from this side, except for where it's a Thunder. There's no bird, it's just a Thunder. Yeah, maybe we could name it Tor. That'd be all right. Anyways, have a good one. Maybe I'll poke around at this a little bit tomorrow. Maybe I'll get a film of me trying to cajole Bonnie into ponying up the money for a floor jack and a set of jack stands. that might be interesting. All right. Well, let's use the other hand so we ain't got the hand in the way of the eye of the machine. Have a good night. Bye.